stability ball crunches. So you want to get on the ball so that in a position that your low back is actually supported here. You want to get your feet firmly planted underneath you and then just crunch straight up, like taking your chin towards the ceiling. We often see people here as use more of their legs than their actual abs. So this is what we will see when people crunch up. They're pushing away with their legs instead of just being nice and stable and going straight up towards the ceiling.